The Arkansas River Valley is an excellent place for organic agriculture, and we chose to farm here in the year 2000 because of those resources. We've lost much of our agricultural tradition, mainly since about World War II, but yet we still have this capacity. It starts with the soil, very mineral rich, not a lot of organic matter, but high mineral content. We also have a very long growing season here in the valley. So we can bring most things to maturity, including long season crops such as butternut squash or poblano peppers. A third element, very important for organic farmers or chemical-free farmers, is the quality of the water. Here on the Bessemer Ditch, which comes directly out of the Pueblo Reservoir, and so we've got no tailwater in this ditch. We don't have chemicals that are coming through the water and onto the land. There still is a potential to produce a lot of these products locally, but we're in a position now where we're trying to bring it back and make a lot of these local connections. In the late 1990s, there was a significant effort to form a producer-owned cooperative. And out of the ashes of that failed cooperative sprung a new group called the Arkansas Valley Organic Growers, or AVOG for short. AVOG is marketing mostly to restaurants. Bon Appetit at Colorado College, I believe, is our largest single customer. It's about 5 years into being a marketing and distribution cooperative and growing quite nicely. The Arkansas Valley watershed is our territory, the headwaters, of course, being Leadville. Can produce quite an extraordinary diversity of products, grains, small fruits, stone fruits, mixed vegetables, livestock products of all kinds, seeds. The more we produce and the wider diversity of things we produce, the more jobs we create, the more associated businesses we can keep healthy, and the more kids we can keep in local schools and that type of thing. Basically think that from an environmental standpoint, farm to market, local is a sound choice. Also the freshness factor, especially in the case of produce. We can get fresh food directly from the farms and into the marketplace, oftentimes within 24 hours. And so we have produce that's much more nutrient dense than produce that's shipped from Chile or China or California, for example. It's a very satisfying process working with farmers and seeing one of these projects come to fruition. They're hard won, they take a long time, but when you get the right group, such as the AVOG producers, it's enormously satisfying. And these projects will take 4 or 5 years to come to being, but when they take hold, it's very satisfying. Here's a nice honeydew. This is an orange honeydew. We're growing for seed. It'll be ready here